The technician begins repair of the Absen x2v 2.6mm module LED repair by inserting the module into the test frame and activating the test patterns to locate any additional defective LED diodes. Following the detection, the technician proceeds to remove the shader and defective LED diodes. Subsequently, the board is prepared, excess debris is eliminated, and a solder braid is employed to remove old solder, followed by a meticulous cleaning of the surface. The technician then modifies the flexible PCB to align with the pad location and securely solders it to the board. After ensuring the PCB is accurately positioned and the area is cleaned again, preparations are made for the LED diode soldering process. Each LED diode is strategically placed on the PCB and heated into position. After all LED diodes are soldered, a final cleaning and scrubbing of the repaired area is performed. The technician activates the test patterns again to verify the functionality of each LED diode. As a concluding step, the shader is secured and firmly pressed in place with a roller, followed by one final test to ensure the repair is successful. This concludes the LED repair of the Absen x2v 2.6mm module.